The for each loop in Perl is an iterator loop, and it's used for stepping through a list of something. So we'll go ahead and look at how that works. We'll make a copy of loops.pl, and we'll call it foreach.pl, foreach.pl, and we'll go ahead and open that up. In this example, we're not going to use our lines file.txt, so we'll just delete that, and we'll declare a variable, my list equals, and we'll list out some strings, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we'll say for each, my string, and we'll put in the list, and we will message it, message $S. So what this does is for each will step through every element of this list, and it will assign them one at a time to this variable, my $S, and then using that, it'll go ahead and run this block of code, which in this case has just the one statement, the message function call. And so what it should do, it should print one on a line, all of these strings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll save that and run it. And there it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how for each works. There's a couple of interesting things that you can do with this. If you don't have the variable declaration there, then for each will use the special built-in variable $_, which looks like that. So we'll save that and run it, and we'll see that that works exactly the same. For each is very often used in its postfix notation instead. So this is what you will very commonly see, is something like this. And you can see that's very succinct and it's easy to read. Message this for each of that. And you simply save that and run it. And there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the for each loop. It's very convenient, it's very useful, and you'll find that you use it quite a bit. It's an iterator, which means that it's used for iterating through a list of things. And it's such a convenient construct that before Perl, there weren't very many languages that had anything like it. And in modern languages that have come after Perl, or languages that have been revised since Perl, they've been starting to put something like this in them. Languages like PHP and Python have a for each loop. So that's the for each loop. It iterates through a list.